There might be certain Google Sheets that you need constant access to. And in order to have constant access to certain Google Sheets, it's handy to have them starred out. So to do that, I'm going to go around on this data option right here. So I'm just going to go on to the data sheet right here. And on the top, you can see that star is an option. And once you click on it, what happens is that that document gets starred out. So I'm going to go back over home right here. So I'm just going to click on the Google Sheet icon. And let's say I want the same for the monthly budget as well. So if I were to click on this one, and if you were to go on the top, you can star out this item as well. So now where to access this from? You can access the Google Sheets from your Google Drive. So I'm just going to go around onto my drive right here. And then once I go to my drive, on the start section right here, you'll be able to see those sheets right here. You can see that there's data, there's monthly budget, along with other starred items that I have. You can go around over here and then you can double click on this to access that file immediately. If you want to unstar an item, simply click on the star right here and then it's not starred anymore. You can go around over here and then on your Google Sheet, you won't be able to find that in the star anymore. So you can go around over here on to, let's say, starred item, and you don't see that anymore, as you can see. You can go around and then you can right click right here to remove it out from starred as well. So remove from starred and then that document gets removed out, as you can see. And that is how you can star files and then access starred files inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.